25 projects trending on GitHub. Let's run through them.
Struggling to automate complex financial workflows like investment banking memos or equity research without building everything from scratch? Anthropic's financial services plugins, with nearly 32,000 stars, offers ready-made agents and skills for exactly these tasks. This repo provides reference implementations for common finance workflows, from wealth management to private equity. You can use them two ways. Install them directly as a Claude Cowork plugin for a quick start, or deploy them through the Claude Managed Agents API to integrate into your own backend system. It gives you the same underlying system prompts and skills either way, so you just choose the deployment method that fits your stack. The agents handle drafting analyst work product, like financial models, research memos, and reconciliations, but they are designed for human review, not autonomous trading or recommendations. Ever tried learning AWS for DevOps but felt completely overwhelmed by where to even start? aws-devops-zero-to-hero, with almost 12,000 stars, is a structured 30-day guide to get you up and running. It is not just theory. Each day focuses on a specific AWS service, from the core concepts of cloud and IAM to practical DevOps applications. You get real-time knowledge, hands-on projects, and even interview questions to help you actually apply what you learn. The goal is to build practical skills for working with AWS in a real DevOps context. Does your automated code review tool miss subtle bugs like null pointer exceptions or thread safety issues? Open Code Review, with almost 9,000 stars, is a battle-tested, open-source solution from Alibaba. It combines a deterministic analysis pipeline with a large language model agent for precise, line-level feedback. You simply point it at your Git diffs, and it sends the changed files to a model like OpenAI or Anthropic. The agent can then read the full file, search your codebase for context, and generate deep, structured comments. It comes with built-in rules for common pitfalls like XSS and SQL injection, making it a powerful addition to your development workflow. Struggling to download comics from your favorite sites and keep them organized locally? JMComic-Crawler, with nearly 6,400 stars, provides a complete Python API to do just that. This tool lets you interact with the site's web and mobile interfaces through simple code. You can download entire albums or chapters, and it handles image decoding for you. The project even includes features for searching, logging in, and accessing your personal favorites. For automation, there's a built-in GitHub Actions downloader to fetch new releases. The core setup is straightforward. Just install it with pip and use a few lines of code to start downloading. It's a practical, self-hosted solution for building your own comic archive. The maintainers also ask users to be mindful of server load, so download responsibly. Do you find yourself stuck doing the same repetitive computer tasks over and over again? TagUI from AI Singapore, with almost 6,500 stars, is a free and open-source RPA tool to automate them. You write simple flows in what is basically plain English, or in one of 22 other supported languages, to control your browser, desktop apps, or command line. It works across Windows, macOS, and Linux. Even though official maintenance has ended, the community keeps it alive. The recent turbo mode lets your automations run 10 times faster than normal speed, making it a powerful way to reclaim your time. Need to prepare for a high-level Java backend interview, but don't know where to start? Java-Interview, with nearly 5,200 stars, is a guide packed with dry knowledge and common questions from actual BAT interviews. This project is a summary of real interview points and questions the author faced during phone and on-site interviews at companies like BAT. It covers essential topics from Java fundamentals and JVM principles to distributed systems and microservices. Beyond just knowledge points, it outlines key preparation strategies. These include crafting a 1-minute personal introduction, learning to answer abstract concepts systematically, and building strong project narratives. The guide also emphasizes practicing under pressure and improving expression skills. You'll find detailed sections on core areas like Spring, MySQL, Redis, and common algorithms. It even includes system design examples for scenarios like high concurrency and scaling to millions of users. This is a comprehensive resource for focused and structured interview preparation. Is your AI agent burning through tokens and API credits just processing long logs and tool outputs? Headroom, with nearly 39,000 stars, is the context compression layer designed to fix that. It intelligently compresses everything your agent reads, from tool outputs and logs to RAG chunks and files, before sending it to the LLM. The result is a massive 60 to 95% reduction in tokens, while preserving the original answers. You can use it as a simple library, run it as a proxy, or connect it through an MCP server. It offers multiple compression algorithms and works locally by default, keeping your data private. This means your AI agents become cheaper to run and can handle much larger contexts without losing the information that matters. Ever feel like your server monitoring and automation tools are completely separate, leaving you blind when something breaks? xyops, with almost 4,500 stars, combines job scheduling, workflow automation, server monitoring, and incident response into one self-hosted platform. It doesn't just run tasks, it connects them to real-time alerts, server snapshots, and ticketing. When an alert fires, you get the running jobs on that server. A single click opens a snapshot showing every process and CPU load. If a job fails, it can automatically open a ticket. It's open and extensible, designed for developers who want full control without paying for features or surrendering their data. Ever wished you had a better starting point for common coding tasks? Jules-Awesome-List, with more than 3,000 stars, is a curated collection of prompts for Jules, an async coding agent from Google Labs. These prompts cover everyday dev tasks like adding tests, refactoring code, and generating mock data. They also include debugging help and documentation generation. You'll find specific examples for Python, JavaScript, and general-purpose work. The list organizes prompts by category, so you can quickly find what you need, whether it's for package management, testing, or just starting a project from scratch. It's essentially a cheat sheet to get your AI coding agent working more effectively right out of the box. Tired of scouring the internet for tech interview questions and online assessments before a big interview? TagUI by FastPrep, with nearly 3,000 stars, is a centralized hub for all of that. It gathers online assessments and interview questions from a huge range of companies, from startups to major financial institutions. The goal is to save you time by putting everything in one place, and it gets updated constantly to stay current. Their question bank contains about 1,400 actual interview questions to practice with. It covers a massive list of companies, and you can even watch the repository for notifications when new material is added. Tired of manually writing out database models for every single table in your project? Sequelize-auto, with nearly 3,000 stars, aims to solve that tedious problem. It's a command line tool that connects directly to your existing database and automatically generates the model files for you. Just provide your database host, name, and credentials, and it will output clean, ready-to-use Sequelize models. You can configure the output path and even target specific tables if you only need a subset. It supports all the major SQL dialects like Postgres, MySQL, SQLite, and MSSQL. This saves you a ton of boilerplate and ensures your models stay perfectly in sync with your actual schema. Ever wanted to enjoy No Man's Sky without the grind or getting stuck by game-breaking bugs? NMSSaveEditor, with nearly 2,600 stars, lets you take control of your save file. It started because the creator found existing tools too limited and risky. This Java-based editor gives you a simple, safe interface to modify key data values. You can change your currencies like units, nanites, and quicksilver. It also lets you customize the base stats for your exosuit, multi-tool, starship, and freighter. You can even tweak your appearance and inventory. The editor is designed to be user-friendly, with light and dark modes and scalable inventory views. It aims to keep your saves safe, while giving you the power to fix bugs or just skip the tedious parts you do not enjoy. Ever needed to quickly share your Android screen with someone on another device without a complicated setup? ScreenStream, with almost 2,500 stars, makes that simple. This Android app lets you stream your device screen and audio directly to a web browser. You can choose local mode using MJPEG for a direct connection on your network, or global mode with WebRTC for streaming over the internet. There's also an RTSP mode for use with compatible media players. The free version on Google Play includes ads and all modes. while the F-Droid version is ad-free, but only supports local and RTSP modes. It's a straightforward tool for screen sharing, demos, or just showing someone what's on your phone. Ever tried watching a movie with friends online, only for everyone to be on different scenes? synctv, with almost 2,500 stars, solves that by keeping everyone perfectly in sync. It's a self-hosted tool for watching videos and live streams together remotely. The core feature is synchronized viewing, so pausing or skipping on your end updates for everyone instantly. Beyond that, it includes a chat with bullet comments, a theater mode, and it can even act as a proxy to parse and cache video sources from platforms like Bilibili and MB. You can host it on your own server for complete control over your movie nights. Ever needed to create a clean, interactive chart for a web project without a heavy framework? Floater 2, with almost 2,500 stars, is a lightweight JavaScript library designed just for that. It lets you draw graphs and charts directly on an HTML5 canvas element. The core idea is simple. You provide a container element, your data series as arrays of points, and a configuration object to style axes or grids. Then you call a single draw method. Floater 2 handles the rendering. It even comes bundled with useful microlibs like underscore for utility functions. This makes it a straightforward, dependency-light choice for adding visualizations straight to the browser, especially for smaller projects where you want to keep the footprint minimal. Ever wished you could replay those classic Dreamcast or Naomi arcade games without hunting down the original hardware? FlyCast, with almost 2,400 stars, is a solid open-source emulator that lets you do just that. It is a multi-platform emulator derived from an earlier project, supporting a good range of systems. You can find builds for your system on their GitHub, whether you need a stable release or want to test the latest nightly features. Installation is straightforward, with options like Google Play on Android, Flatpak on Linux, or Homebrew on macOS. It brings those old arcade and console libraries back to life on modern devices. Ever feel like your back-end services are getting tangled and hard to scale, especially when you just want to add a simple feature? Blok, with almost 2,400 stars, is a TypeScript framework that tackles this by letting you build with nanoservices. It focuses on a modular, single-responsibility architecture right from the start. You can break your back-end logic into small, reusable units that are easy to manage and scale independently. It provides developer-friendly tools like a command line interface and templates to get you started quickly. This way, you can focus on your core business logic while the framework handles the complexities of infrastructure and resource management. Trying to keep your website's SEO and geo strategy organized across multiple AI tools can get messy fast. SEO-geo-claude-skills, with almost 2,200 stars, gives you 20 specialized skills for keyword research, content writing, technical audits, and more. It works with Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and over 35 other AI agents. The skills are simple, zero-dependency markdown files, so they're easy to use and customize. You can install the whole library with a single command or add just one skill if you need it. It even includes frameworks for evaluating content quality and domain trust. Whether you're planning a new audit or tracking rankings, this library acts as a unified command center for your optimization work. Do you find probability and statistics abstract and hard to visualize? Seeing Theory, with almost 2,200 stars, aims to change that. It's an interactive web project that makes core concepts more accessible through beautiful visualizations. Instead of just reading formulas, you can see ideas like distributions and hypothesis tests come alive on screen. The project uses D3.js to create these dynamic illustrations. It's designed as a companion tool for introductory statistics courses, helping students build intuition by exploring concepts visually. This makes the subject feel less like a collection of rules and more like a way to understand the world. Struggling to build complex ComfyUI pipelines from scratch for tasks like character consistency or product photos? Yolain's ComfyUI-Workflows collection, with over 2,100 stars, offers a huge set of ready-made workflows to speed things up. These are built on the powerful ComfyUI Easy Use node package, so they simplify the node graph for you. The collection covers everything from basic text-to-image and ControlNet to advanced techniques like IP adapter for style transfer, Instant ID for face consistency, and layer diffusion for transparent images. There are even practical, focused workflows for e-commerce product shots and character turnarounds. You will need to install the core easy-use node package first, but then you can just load these pre-built graphs and get started immediately. Juggling AI coding skills between Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, and 20 other platforms feels like a losing battle. Skills Manage, with almost 2,100 stars, brings them all together into one clean desktop app. It uses the Agent Skills Open pattern, storing your skills in a single central directory on your computer. From there, you can symlink them to install or uninstall skills for each platform individually. You get a full library view with markdown previews and raw source code, and you can even organize skills into collections. It's a straightforward way to manage your AI assistant's abilities across your entire workflow without the headache of platform hopping. Ever wanted to play a classic arcade game on your Android phone, but the originals are hard to find or just don't run well? FlyClash-Android, with almost 1,900 stars, is a project aiming to bring that nostalgic flight combat experience to your modern device. It is an Android implementation of the classic FlyClash game, likely built from an open-source codebase. This means you get to fly your plane and dodge enemy fire in a simple yet addictive way. If you miss the days of arcade cabinets, this is a great way to have that fun right in your pocket. Check it out if you're looking for a dose of retro gaming on the go. Do you have an old IP camera collecting dust because the official firmware is no longer supported? Thingino, with nearly 2,000 stars, aims to give those cameras a second life. This open-source project provides custom firmware specifically for Ingenic SoC-based IP cameras. The development is split into two branches. The stable branch offers a reliable, tested version for general use. It focuses on core functionality and critical fixes. The master branch is the development hub. It contains new features and experimental changes. This structure helps keep a dependable version for most users while allowing active innovation. If you have an old camera, it might be supported. Do you feel like your AI coding agent is just a vibe coding toy and not ready for real engineering work? Skills for Real Engineers, with almost 140,000 stars, provides the actual agent skills you need. This isn't about owning the whole process and taking away your control. Instead, it offers small, composable skills you can adapt and hack around with. You can install them quickly with a simple command. Pick the skills you want and set them up for your favorite coding agent. It's designed to be straightforward and give you back agency, letting you build real applications with your tools, not in spite of them.